गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે ટાઈપ 3 એનો ચોથો સમ કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો। નાઉ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 5 એની પહેલા થર્ડ નંબરમાં સમમાં એક કરેક્શન છે રકમમાં। હિયર y is equal to 6 not x। So put y is equal to 6 is equal to 13.23 plus 2.41x। 6 minus 13.23 is equal to 2.41x minus 13.23 minus 6, that is minus 7.23 divided by 2.41 is equal to x, that is 3. So x bar is equal to 3. Now our example number 5, 4x minus 10y is equal to 0 is regression line of y on x. This is y on x. 4x minus 10y is equal to 0. One relation is given, standard deviation of x divided by standard deviation of y is equal to 5:4. Find out two regression coefficient and correlation coefficient. Y on x b by x minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Okay, minus coefficient of x, that is 4 divided coefficient of y minus 10 minus 4 minus 0.4 minus minus plus 0.4. This is our b by x. Now b by x is equal to r multiplied by standard deviation of y upon standard deviation of x. b by x is equal to 0.4. r we have to find out, sy upon sx we have sx upon sy, so reciprocal it, 4 divided by 5. 0.4 multiplied by 5 divided by 4 is equal to r. 5 multiplied by 0.4 divided by 4, that is 0.5. r is equal to 0.5. Now bxy, r is equal to plus or minus b by x multiplied by bxy. r is 0.5. 0.5 is equal to, our both answer is plus, so bxy પણ પ્લસ જ મળશે, અંડર રૂટ byx 0.4 multiplied by bxy, square both side. 0.5 no square 0.25, 0.4 multiplied by bxy, 0.25 divided by 0.4, 0.25 divided by 0.4 is equal to 0.625 is equal to bxy. This is your answer. Next, example number 6. If you are given that x 0.75y, y is equal to 0.71x, sx is equal to 3, find r and sy. What is x is equal to 0.75y? What is y is equal to 0.81x? Here equation ની લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ x છે એટલે આપણે આને કહેશું x on y, આને આપણે કહેશું y on x. x minus 0.75y is equal to 0, y minus 0.81x is equal to 0. bxy is equal to minus coefficient of y divided by coefficient of x minus y no coefficient minus 0.75 divided by 1, that is minus minus plus 75. byx minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y minus coefficient of y, that is minus 0.81 divided by 1.81. This is byx, this is bxy. Okay. Now r plus or minus under root byx multiplied by bxy under root 0.75 multiplied by 0.81, 0.75 multiplied by 0.81 and root 0.78. Okay. We have to find out sy also. Sx is given 3. Sx 3. Byx is equal to r multiplied by sy upon sx. Byx 0.75, r 0.78 multiplied by sy divided by 3. 0.75 multiplied by 3, 2.25 divided by 0.78 is equal to sy. 2.25 divided by 0.78, that is 2.88. Okay. Point 75 divided by 0.78 multiplied by 3, 2.88. Next example number 7. Regression line of x on y is, this is x on y, x a y minus 5. Regression line y on x, this is y on x. Y is equal to bx plus 2.3. X bar 7, y bar 3. Find coefficient of correlation. X bar 7, y bar 3. X bar and y bar given here. X on y, so bxy is equal to minus coefficient of y divided by coefficient of x minus y no coefficient, please write in linear form, x minus ay is equal to 5. Here y minus bx is equal to 2.3. Now x y no coefficient minus a divided by x no coefficient 1. So bxy is equal to a. Now here byx minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y minus x no coefficient minus b, y no 1, minus minus plus b, byx b, bxy a. Now x bar and y bar are given. X bar is equal to 7 and y bar is equal to 3. X bar is equal to 7 and y bar is equal to 3. Now x is equal to ay minus 5. X is equal to ay minus 5 and y is equal to bx plus 2.3, bx plus 2.3. Okay. Now x minus ay is equal to 5 minus 5, sorry, y minus bx is equal to 2.3 Now simplify it. This is our first equation, this is our second equation. Okay, x minus ay is equal to minus 5 minus bx plus y is equal to 2.3. આ ઇક્વેશનને આપણે કેન્સલ કરવું હશે તો x ને b વડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવા પડે. So bx minus aby is equal to 5 minus bx plus y is equal to 2.3. bx plus or minus cancel. Minus aby plus y is equal to minus 5. 5 minus 2.3, 2.7. Take y common. Y common. AB plus 1 is equal to 2.7. Y bar is equal to given. Y bar is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3. AB plus 1 is equal to 2.7. AB plus 1 is equal to 2.7 divided by 3. AB plus 1 is equal to 0.9. Okay, now x minus ay is equal to minus 5. X minus ay is equal to minus 5. X minus ay is equal to minus 5. Put x bar, that is x. X is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3. Put x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3. 7 minus a3 is equal to minus 5. 7 minus 5 આ સાઈડ આવશે તો પ્લસ થશે, a3 સામેની સાઈડ જશે તો પ્લસ થઈ જશે. 7 plus 5, that is 12. 12 divided by 3 is equal to a. So a is equal to 12 by 3, 4. A is equal to 4. Same way second equation આપણે આપેલું છે. Second equation, y is equal to bx plus 2.3. Y is equal to bx plus 2.3. Y bar is equal to 3, x bar 7, 3, this is bx, sorry 2b nahi, bx, this is 2bx plus 2.3, 3bx, x bar એટલે 7, 2.3, 3 plus 3 minus 2.3, 3 minus 2.3 is equal to 7b. 3 minus 2.3, that is 0.7 divided by 7 is equal to b, 0.1. So a and b આપણે મળી ગયા. What is a? A is equal to 4, b is equal to 0.1. What is a? A is equal to bxy. A is equal to bxy and b is equal to byx. bxy a is equal to 4, byx b is equal to 0.1. Okay, now we have to find out correlation coefficient. Okay, correlation coefficient r is equal to plus or minus under root byx multiplied by bxy. Both are plus, so plus 4 multiplied by 0.1 that is 0.4 એનું રૂટ કાઢશું એટલે 0.63. 0.63 is R. This is your answer. Next, example number 8. Y bar is equal to 2x bar, an equation of regression x on y of perfectly related, that is very important for us, two variable x and y. Find out both regression coefficient. And equation of regression equation x on y of perfectly related two variable, y bar is equal to 2x bar. Okay, example number 8 same છે, આપણે જે થર્ડ કર્યો એના જેવો, એટલે હોમવર્કમાં રહેશે. Now example number 9. x is equal to 4y plus 9, y is equal to kx plus 5 are two regression line. Prove 0 lesser than or equal to 4k lesser than or equal to 1. So here this is x on y, this is y on x. This is x on y, this is y on x. Now x minus 4y is equal to 9, y minus kx is equal to 5. Okay, bxy minus coefficient of y divided by coefficient of x. bxy coefficient of y minus 4, x no 1, minus minus plus 4. Okay, now byx minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y, minus minus k divided by 1, minus minus plus k. Okay, we have to prove 0, 4k, 1. Okay, now what is r? R is equal to under root byx multiplied by bxy under root 4k. We have to prove that 0 lesser than or equal to 4k lesser than or equal to 1. Lesser than or equal to 4k lesser than or equal to 1, because r ni value r square, here we find r square not r. What is r square? Plus or minus byx multiplied by bxy. So r square is equal to 4k. We know that value of r square is lie between 0 to plus 1. So r square is equal to 4k. એની વેલ્યુ શું હશે? 0 થી લઈ અને plus 1 ની વચ્ચે. Okay, next example number 10, last of this type. If coefficient of correlation regression line y for kx plus 1 x ky plus 2 is 0.8, correlation is equal to 0.8, so r is equal to 0.8. Find out value of k and both regression coefficient. બે regression coefficient અને k ની વેલ્યુ આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની છે. ઓકે, ફર્સ્ટ લાઈનને આપણે અઝ્યુમ કરશું y on x, that is y is equal to 4kx plus 1 minus 4kx plus y is equal to 1. byx is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y minus coefficient of x minus 4k y1, that is 4k byx. X on y, x is equal to ky plus 2. Okay, simplify it. X minus ky is equal to 2, bxy is equal to minus coefficient of y divided by coefficient of x. Okay, minus coefficient of y minus k x1 minus minus plus k bxy. Now r is given, so r is equal to plus or minus byx multiplied by bxy. R is given 0.8, 0.8 under root 4k multiplied by k. So 0.8 is equal to root 4k square. And square root કાઢશું એટલે 2k. So k is equal to 0.4. k ની વેલ્યુ આપણે મળી ગઈ, એના ઉપરથી આપણે byx અને bxy મળી જશે. Put k is equal to 0.4 in byx is equal to 4k. 4 multiplied by 0.4, that is 1.6. Put k is equal to 0.4 in bxy is equal to k. So k is equal to 0.4, bxy is equal to 0.4 and byx is equal to 1.6. Okay. Here our type 3 is completed. In next session we will start our next type, that is type 4 of our chapter. Thank you.